Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today at Disney's Blizzard Beach. They just opened like a couple days ago for the winter months. So yeah, let's go on in and check it out. This is my first time here, so I'm excited to see around the park. Let's head on. These are the prices, guys. I'm finally in. It's all these Christmas sleighs and decorations. This is pretty cool. Looks like they have a gift shop and everything in here. They have a snowman family over here. They're all melting. Oh man. Look at this. This is the park map. This place looks massive. Honestly, I hope I can figure this out. This is my first time, so I'm just taking you guys around with me. They have another gift area, like towels and everything you're gonna buy. If you wanna buy sunscreen, I recommend you already bringing that, because you'll be paying a lot of money if not. And over here they have Freshman's Frosty Bite Freddy's. So they sell some daiquiris. Looks good. I'm gonna have to try that. Walking across this bridge, you have a lazy river. I don't know if you guys can see way up there. You can take the sky lift all the way up the top there and go down the big slide. I'll have to show you.
One-way trip to the top of Mount Rushmore. You'll find all of our slides except for run-off rapids.
It goes way up there. This is crazy. They have like a resting area over here, so I'm gonna try to grab something. Come up here. Look at this view, guys. It's crazy. See if I get someone coming down this big slide. Go on the ski lift up top. There they go. Wow, actually it took a little bit longer than what I thought to come down that thing. This is cool. I like the vibe though. It works with Christmas very well. All the snow and everything. So that's very cool. Pretty cool, guys. They got like this tunnel thing. Walk through cave, not tunnel thing. Nice size wave pool. Let's go and check it out. Here's the exit to a couple more slides, guys. Let's see if we can catch someone coming down. Oh, I think these ones you race. Here they come. Going way out there. Pretty crazy. Oh yeah, this is nice. I will say that this is a much different vibe. This water's cold. Much different vibe. You got a slide over there. Pretty neat. I'm just trying to figure out the layout right now. Honestly, guys, this kind of reminds me of Volcano Bay's not lazy river, but wave pool. It has like the same kind of choppy waves. Very cool though. That's like that Christmas vibe. If you want to go to a water park around the holidays, it's a cool place to check out. There's a lot of people in the pool like I'm used to, so Not bad at all. I guess it's too cold for a lot of people. Looks like they have another bar over here. Another seating area. Just some food. They have a coffee shop over here. You can get you some donuts. Oh, actually it's Joffrey's. Look at the donuts. Look amazing. What's this? Oh, like sell funnel cakes. Nice. Cotton candy also. I'm gonna head over to the lazy river right now and check it out. Might go up on the ski lift. I don't know if I'll go down the slide or not. I wish I could take you guys, but I'm not sure if you're allowed filming here down the slides or not, so might have to ask them. Like a little snowman. Looks like they have a little splash pad for kids. Pretty cool little area. Got Frozen over there. Actually, the whole thing's decked out Frozen. It's pretty cool. They have like a ice truck. Has a food booth. Oh man, that's actually ice cream. Ooh. Oh man, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells really good. We got churros, ice cream, apple pie churros. What? They also have a hot dog stand over here, guys. Might have to check that out eventually too. All right, let's see if we can find a float. Let's get in the lazy river. There we go. This water's pretty cold too, but I like cold water. Makes you a man. This water's like really shallow. It's only 2'6". Dang. It's like up to my thighs. Look at this, guys. It's literally like knee level. I'm 6'5", so this shows you how shallow this is. Looks like they have a big old waterfall. Oh boy, we're about to go under that, guys. Everyone's like trying not to get wet because the water's pretty cold. Here we go. Going right in the middle. Here we go. This is really cool, guys. Very cool. I like the theming. Like I said, for Christmas, it's like the perfect water park. The snow and everything. Atmosphere, really cool. I think this is supposed to be the biggest lazy river in Orlando on all the water parks, so I will say it's a much different vibe compared to summer to the winter at the water parks. A lot less people. Water's a lot colder. Oh look, blowing snow. That's cool. Gone skiing. Yeah, I will say it is really cool theme, but I don't think it's as much as Typhoon Lagoon and Volcano Bay's Lazy River. It's like it has a little bit more theming, but it's still very cool. This is pretty neat. Finally got me a chair now. All of them was used, but that's what I like about actually Typhoon Lagoon and Blizzard Beach here. They actually have these like chairs that you can sit in, and I don't think Volcano Bay has the chairs, so kind of wish they did. It's kind of relaxing. Alright guys, I want to head over to do the ski lift. And get on that and I'll go up on top of the hill to show you guys the view from the top. So let's check that out and go there. We're heading over to the ski lift. We're gonna get on that, go up top, show you the view. I think I gotta go that way. Heading on up the ski mountain, guys. Here we go. Get a really good view. Look at this. I need to do that slide sometime. I'm not sure if you can take a camera or not. Maybe a GoPro, but I don't have a GoPro. I need to get one. So high up, if you're scared of heights, you probably won't like this. I don't know what is this, like a kids section over here? Nice. Let's see if we get someone come down. See if we can catch it. Maybe. Not sure. Look how high this is though. Come on. It'll be cool to happen now. Maybe not, guys. I don't think it's our lucky day today. Almost there. It would have been good timing, but you know, it happens. Whoa. This is crazy. It's like way down there. This damn thing right here, when I sat down, it came around and smacked me on top of the head. It's kind of embarrassing. Like people's laughing at me. Look how high we are, guys. This is crazy. It's so windy up here though. Wow. Okay, you can see the slides. So apparently, guys, there's no downhill rider, so I'm gonna have to take the stairs all the way down. Wish me luck. Look how high we are. Whoa. So many stairs. I didn't know I couldn't take the ski lift back down. This is really cool. I like the view from over here. Like, look at this. They got like this kids, what's this show called? Wipeout. You guys remember that on TV? It's pretty much what it looks like. Pretty cool. Here she comes. Yeah, this view is insane though. I feel like I'm in Denver or something, in Colorado. Got another quick service restaurant, guys. Pretty cool. I like the theming though. I like a lodge theming all around the park. All right, I decided to stop here and get this Churro Sundae. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing, guys. Don't it look amazing? Wow. All right, let's do this. First bite. Oop. I think I get a churro. Oh my god, guys. Definitely get that. If you're at Blizzard Beach, definitely get this. Freaking amazing. That's delicious. Honestly, guys, I would come to Blizzard Beach just to get this. I mean, it is that good. Got a brain freeze. I hate that. I was eating too fast. I hate fucking brain freezes. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it. I appreciate you all watching. I got to take all these stairs back down. But yeah, it was just a short video. I about said Typhoon Lagoon. Blizzard Beach just opened. I just want to give you guys a real quick tour. I do recommend it. It is really cool. Especially coming up here on the ski lift and just seeing the view and everything. But yeah, come check it out guys. If you will, I appreciate it. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you enjoyed the video, tell me what was the best part, comment below. I'll see you guys later. Now it's time to go back to reality.